Tesla just supercharged its Cybercabs with built-in Starlink connectivity. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The company's Robotaxi account on X recently shared photos of the first Cybercab with an integrated Starlink antenna. But one thing to ponder over is that Starlink is best suited for remote areas where there's no 5G connectivity, and Cybercabs will almost certainly first start operating in dense urban areas. So why do Tesla's autonomous taxis even need Starlink? Cybercabs have 5G chips built in, and the Starlink antenna adds additional cost, weight, and complexity, which doesn't appear necessarily right now. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has the answer, and it's definitely, absolutely, certainly not so that Tesla can foot another bill to Musk-owned SpaceX. In a tweet, he referenced Cloudflare's assessment that bot traffic will exceed human internet traffic by a factor of 1,000 within 5 years. Musk wrote, "The only system that can support the insanely fast bandwidth growth needed by AI is Starlink." Ever since SpaceX monster IPO in June, there's been talk about SpaceX and Tesla merging into one giant corporation that covers transportation, energy, AI, chip making, and AI compute, both on Earth and in space. Musk himself said there's more and more overlap between the two companies, but there's also the question of control. A potential mega merger could end up with Musk having even more control over Tesla, and fewer board meetings to attend when he wants something done in either company. But still, having Starlink and Cybercabs feels pretty useless for now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.